Hey guys, other than doing video games today, I want to show you my cat man, which is why I'm not making much videos, because of her, because she's pregnant and stuff, and I just got her, so she's an abandoned cat. We found her, and now she's pretty much, happy as can be. Let's see if I can get her purring. She already is, but can you hear that?
Hi, man.
And she's a girl, and she's pregnant. In less than a week, she'll have a kid. And, this is her favorite brush right here. Yeah, she's obsessed with it. Sneaking man. Don't ask why I named her man, because I didn't know she was a girl until she got pregnant. And so I'm gonna make a new name for her soon. And we didn't, we were gonna get her spayed, but it was too late. So we're gonna have to wait and have a batch of kittens.
Oh, you man.
I love this cat so much. And all she does is pretty much, she used to play, but now she has to be pregnant. And it's kind of hard for her to play, but we played earlier today. And man, when she's like this, she usually wants to play, but not right now, I guess. Goo goo. And let me see.
He's a man.
Give me. This is where man usually is, unless she's outside. But she sleeps in here. Here comes man. But I'm gonna give you a little tour of where she sleeps and stuff. So, right there is man's box, which we took her home in. We should where we found man. So apparently it was planned. As you can see that box right there. I'll show you some pictures of man in the car after this video. And there's the litter box right there, which I do have to clean out after this video. There's where man sleeps. And that's about it for man. And I'll show you some pictures now. I hope you enjoyed the pictures. Now I'm gonna play with man. See if she wants to play.
There you go. Sneaking man.
Goo goo. She might not want to play because she's pregnant, so. But this is what she usually does. She doesn't move. But she does that kind of stuff.
Hi. Say hi, man. Hi. No. Got your man. You did. Oh, yes, I did. Oh, man. You got it. Good job. Good job, man. Yes, you good man. Oh, no. There you go. Those man. Please, more, man. What's your man? So.
Yeah. She's purring right now, by the way. That's her favorite spot to be scratched. And that's man, so thanks for watching.